Once again.
ए रा रे पोषण मैडम रे
What do you like to say regarding this replantation?
First of all, we're happy it survived. Now, this is the first, what Daniel has told me, this is the first 200-year-old tree that's been successfully transplanted also. So that I want to commend Smart City for what they've done. So now they formed a committee. Now what they said is they they want to protect all the tree cover in the city. And in order to do that, they formed this committee. So they've committed to actually planting like hundreds and thousands of trees in the city itself. So for that, I want to thank them. And I'm sure the tree will do extremely well.
आणि शांतीनेच ते गणपती देवाकडे एक अनेक सेम असले बनियन ते तुम्ही किती केले किती उडयले मारून सायडीचे सेम ओढले असले ते वाईट वर्ड्स कट दॅट टाइम
Banyan tree here.
सेम ते हे झाड असले न्ही बनियन ते सायडीकूच एक 20 मीटराचे ते गणपती टेंपल ओढले झाड असले
ते रेन ट्री.
ना रेन ट्री असून आणि एक असले पहिली वी आस्क्ड बाबूश ऑल्सो दॅट टाइम ही टोल्ड दॅट विल बी सेम बट दॅट ट्री वॉज डिसअपियर बनियन ट्री वी हॅव द फुटेज ऑल्सो इट वॉज लाईव्ह एव्हरी टाइम
We
Why
have
it was
permission
not
for
saved?
2 trees. We have cut this thing with the forest, and one permission was for the translocation of this banyan tree. So that we have translocated. So the reason for this, like how we took the permission, everything that, because there was a lot of things in the media that suddenly we came one night and removed this. You all are also aware. You all were also there that day. So that whole thing, it happens in days and weeks takes for it to be translocated. So that whole journey we have sort of done a presentation, kind of an exhibition thing, which will be there here today, whole day, for people to know like what humongous task this is. And then we had a committee basically of 3 experts who have worked. Sir is like he doesn't need any introduction basically. So they had advised us in all these things with forest people, G Suda, Smart City, and also the contractors. So we worked really hard for the past 2.5-3 months to rehabilitate this. And from the technical aspect, sir would be the right person to tell you guys like how.
So when the MD of Smart City called on me and said, Daniel, I require your expertise, I realized, personally I felt that the tree, the footage what I've seen, the tree was removed, had a lot of root zone, which actually initially was told that it was not had so much root zone. And seeing the root zone, I was quite confident that I could do something. So I volunteered on my own. I said yes. For me, it was like better giving it a try than rather this old 200 banyan old tree going as firewood. So it was nothing to lose, but give it a try. And yes, it was very difficult. We did not have the right chemicals in Goa, but the MD was very kind enough. I required a hell lot of chemicals, which was bought in next day, was put in the bus in Bombay. Next day morning, we bought it and we put the chemicals. But what I would like to say, till today, the tree is in the infancy stage. Till today, the tree is alive, and let us all send positive vibes, and let's make sure that this tree next year, same time, becomes big, beautiful, becomes an ecosystem by itself, and all the birds of the air and insects of the air come and take shelter in this beautiful 200-year-old banyan tree. Thank you.
Any idea you have how many total trees are there in Panjim, and it is important to save or?
See, only basically we make an inventory when the trees are posing danger, whatever. So that's the time we have a proper data. But there is a proper data. But henceforth, we are going to look into the trees which are posing danger, and we're going to scientifically prune these trees and make sure that the tree cover of Panjim is retained. Because as a child that I grew up in the city, I've seen the tree cover getting lost very fast. So we are also going to work with the Smart City and make sure we're going to plant the appropriate trees. So I'm also on the panel of Smart Cities choosing the trees. So just give us some time, and definitely maybe in 5 years' time, you're going to see a transformed city of Panjim.
Why this location was placed?
Sir, honestly, I'm an expert. It is not. It's not why it was, but I have come as to save the tree. So that question can be posed to somebody else.
No, why I asked you, because backside is a football ground.
Yes, sir.
And now these leaves, when they go, it can go on the ground. So every time the new plant will come.
Yeah. So
Hold the ground.
I'm here on a panel to save trees and to make sure the tree cover. But anything more technical aspect, I think the question should be diverted to.
Yes, I could answer that. For example, you asked about the tree cover. For example, in central Panjim, around 3.5 kilometers of road,
Okay.
we are doing trees at 25 to 30 meter interval. Now, some trees around 33 we have done in the road near, what do you call it? Menezes Braganza Road near Neptune Hotel. So those we have geotagged. We have created a specific app for this purpose because these trees we can just plant and go. But then we don't know what is the health. 3 months, 6 months, basically. So the thing is we have geotagged these trees. We'll share that, make it public basically. Right now we are just uploading the data. Then there are around 275 different kind of trees in this particular location. Because we also want to give a push to fruit trees and other things. Many other things are there. So if you see roughly 3.5 kilometers in central Panjim, 3 kilometers in Santines, and a few more kilometers in Raibandar, and there are other green spaces like this Kampal ground and other locations. And there is a pedestrian spine, then there is also a promenade. So around 1,600 plus trees and other smaller shrubs that would be a additional part. But as far as larger trees is concerned, it would be around 1,600 trees, which would be geotagged. So then once we geotag it, we would want you to ask us this question after 3 months and 6 months. Let us say after the monsoons. How many have you tagged? What is their health? We'll come back to you. We'll tell you the thing. That is, we are committed to that thing. We are doing it through this app because data as such, because you asked how many trees are there. So there is no specific number. I can do a sort of a analysis on the satellite imagery and tell you this much % cover. But I can't tell you exact what. But for that I need to build a database which we are doing through this app. So it's a work in progress, it's happening. I can give you data for 275 trees. But beyond that I need to fill this data, which I will do in this next 3 to 6 months. So you ask me this question again in 6 months.
नो म्हाजो प्रश्न कितें आसलेलो की हे झाड जेन्ना व्हडलें जातलें
हय.
हेजी पानां जेन्ना
हय.
पडटा ग्रावंडार
हय.
थंय मागीर कोमऱ्यो येतल्यो आनी थंय झाडां निर्माण जातली जेन्ना इतको ग्रावंडान खर्च केला आनी मदीं मदीं जेन्ना ही असली रुटां ती
Everything. See, when you do
So I'll
all
answer
this.
this question.
Yeah.
Yes.
So basically, as you say that leaves are going to disperse and fall on the ground, a banyan tree does not germinate that way with a leaf. A banyan tree does not germinate. Even when the banyan tree gets fruits, small fruits, it has to pass through the digestive tract of a bird to take birth. So even if a fruit falls, if you see any banyan tree, if that's the case, look at any banyan tree, there'll be 1,000 fruits down, but it will not germinate. Yes, I understand maybe when the tree grows with the wind, there could be a few leaves falling onto the ground, but that is not any cause that we are going to get more saplings and it's going to damage the ground. Okay, and I would also like to place a record. Madam Gautami, she has been, both of them from the Smart City have been a very big support to me, because I'll tell you something, we have sleepless nights. It's very easy for a lot of y'all across watching the program, but we know how we have kept this tree alive. In the summer, we have got more than 5,000 photographs per day, 4 times a day. I personally would get pictures that the tree is misted. And one day I would not get pictures, I would call madam. I said, madam, has the tree been? So we have, from our side, we have done each and every bit. Now it's in the hands of the Almighty to see that this tree flourishes. But we, as human beings and as plant lovers and with a passion to save this tree, we have not left anything unturned till date. And still, I'll repeat on record, we will not do. We will continue our commitment till the tree survives, and that's the time we are going to sign off saying that this tree is good. Because we work with passion and we are genuine tree lovers.
So Daniel बाबा एक झाड सेव्ह करपाक कितलं इम्पॉर्टन्स आहे एक्चुअली बनियन ट्री
So
स्पेशली
this banyan tree for me was an entire ecosystem. When you say it's an ecosystem, it's like birds of the air. One tree can be an ecosystem. It's the temperatures, microclimatic conditions, birds, pets. So it's every tree is very important for the city. And there's something called as we have the Panjim biodiversity. If you see the Panjim biodiversity, we have got so many trees. I would like to leave on record there are 2 exotic trees in Goa, in Panjim. One is the baobab, which is outside Raj Bhavan. These trees come from Africa. And secondly, in Panjim, in Miramar, in full of Goa, we have the branching palm, which has come from Egypt. Nowhere in Goa this tree is visible. So my appeal to citizens, people, plant lovers, protect these trees, because future generations should see these beautiful trees in the state of Goa.
ओके ते आता सांतिनेच एकच विचारता लास्ट ते सांतिनेच दुसरे जे व्हडले जे व्हडले झाड आसले बनियन ट्री ते मारले सो ते सेव्ह
Sir,
करपाक
I'm here-
तुमकां जर दिल्ले इनिशिएटीव तुम्ही सेव्ह करपाक
Yes,
शकता आसले
if anybody requires my my help or whatever, I'm ready to go out. But you have to involve me at the early stages.
that is the biggest loss
Yeah,
you are
they have to
telling.
involve me at the bigger stages when not after the operation is done, then call me, because I know the stress levels that came on me. So it's nice. Anyway, across Goa, anybody having any difficulty, and let me tell you, it is expensive. It is not as simple because we require high tons cranes, which is like 60 tons every trunks, to lift up this massive tree. So it's not simple. So before doing anything, the infrastructure has to be created, and which is very, very important. Now, yes, please. Sir, we probably can get the accounts from the smart city. Yeah.
See, the thing is, you cannot put a cost to the ecology, the biology of the system. Basically, I can tell you X amount. Maybe some other place I have to transport it 5 kilometers. It's why.
Not talking about
I'm just telling you.
transportation.
No, that question itself. This is an EPC contract. Everything is all inclusive in the contract. So there are no special things. Okay, X amount for this. Don't go by cost. Look at the intention that we are wanting to do this, because this is a process. Because the road is under us for 10 years. It's a labor of love basically. When you do something with biology, you are doing all these trees, and so it's talking about the ecosystem. It has to be built. It's not like you plant something and then tomorrow everything will be. You have to continuously work on that process. So don't just associate one cost to something.
ना एवरी टाइम आता बाकीच्या कडे समज परमिशन घेतली आणि ते समज कट करपाचे आणि ट्रान्सप्लांट करपाचे चिंतले जाल्यार कॉस्ट एक चिंतचो पडटलो न्हू स्मार्ट
ना
सिटी
बट कशें आसा आमी आपलो प्रोजेक्ट हे सगळे चिंतून केल्ले सगळे प्रोविजन आमी केला
ह्या झाडाचो बोवाळ जालो म्हणून ते
म्हणून केलं
transplant-
दुसरे झाड तुम्ही मारून उडयले
ऑलरेडी ऑर्डरीचेरूच आयिल्ले की
कशें आसा
transport करचे
तेच म्हणटा तुमकां तुमी ते आमी जे स्लायड सगळे केला कशो तो फ्लो जाला वॉट इज द एक्चुअल ट्रूथ यू ऑल सी दॅट थिंग इट्स नॉट लायक जस्ट बिकॉज देर वॉज अ ह्यू अँड क्राय
पण ते तुम्ही सेव्ह कित्याक म्हणून सायडीकूच आशिल्ले ते 20 मीटराचे दॅट इज द बिगस्ट मोर दॅन 200
आमी
ट्रीज
तेच तुका म्हणटा दोनूच आमी अप्लाय केल्ले एक आमकां कट करपाक दिले आणि एक आमकां सांगले ट्रान्सप्लांट कर ते आमी ट्रान्सलोकेट केले
आणि सरान म्हणलेले दॅट बाओबाओ ट्री अँड दॅट एक्झॉटिक पाम वी बोथ हॅव इन दिस गार्डन इन दिस पर्टिक्युलर प्रोजेक्ट you can have a visit and see around. We have planted more than 257 plants.
Also, we plan to have a edible garden, because what we realized in COVID, everybody had money, but there was no food. And Panjim city per se has so much of land. So along the cooperation of city of Panjim, along with the smart city, I have a dream to create an edible garden, a food garden. Let anybody enjoy the fruits. And me and madam have made a list of all local trees. Kokam, Avla, Bindas, all local trees. Even to that extent, we are going to plant Teflon tree, which is on the verge of extinction and which is indigenous to the Western Ghat. So give us some time, I would say 5 years or 7 years, and you all are going to see the results. But for that, you all have to give us time.
मेरशे हायवेचेर सुद्दां थंय एक झाडां सगळी पिड्ड्यार जाल्लेली आहा मँग्रुव्ज म्हणटा तांकां तेंचेर काय रिसर्च करूंक
So
ना
so far I'm not a specialist on marine things, whatever. So I would not like to comment because that's not my field of expertise.
ओके थँक्यू सर
Thank you.